Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The 2027 VOLKNER Triple Decker RV, acclaimed as the future of luxury travel on wheels, signifies a revolutionary advancement in mobile living accommodations. VOLKNER, a brand renowned for its exceptional luxury and engineering excellence in the motorhome sector, boldly advances with this concept, proposing a multi-level residence that reimagines spaciousness, functionality, and integrated technology for an unparalleled travel experience. The term triple decker is not an exaggeration. It denotes a fundamental transformation of RV design. This RV, constructed on a very durable chassis, presumably an advancement of VOLKNER's esteemed heavy-duty platforms, would incorporate an intricate multi-story, expandable design. Upon reaching its destination, hydraulic and automatic technologies would activate to elevate and extend parts, forming various dwelling levels. First level, this foundational floor is expected to include the principal living and entertaining spaces. Envision an opulent salon featuring expansive floor-to-ceiling windows, luxurious bespoke seating, and a cutting-edge entertainment system. Adjacent is a gourmet kitchen, including residential-sized equipment, extensive counter space made from high-quality materials such as granite or quartz, and innovative storage options. An exclusive dining space, potentially extensible, would facilitate formal meals. Second level, reserved for private apartments, this level would provide exceptional comfort and privacy. A lavish master suite would serve as the focal point, encompassing a king-sized bed, an expansive walk-in closet, and a sumptuous ensuite bathroom equipped with a full-size shower, high-end fixtures, and potentially a tiny spa tub. Extra well-furnished bedrooms or guest suites, each equipped with individual amenities, would provide comfort for all residents. The third floor represents the pinnacle of the triple-decker. This space could serve as a private sky lounge, an observatory featuring panoramic views through electrochromatic glass, a home office equipped with integrated communication equipment, or a compact wellness center that includes a gym or a private terrace. This elevation area would provide a distinctive viewpoint of the surrounding terrain and an unmatched sense of seclusion and exclusivity. The future of luxury travel is inherently connected to cutting-edge technology and autonomy, and the 2027 VOLKNER Triple Decker RV would excel in these domains. An AI-driven core smart home system would oversee all onboard operations, including environmental controls, lighting ambience, security, and entertainment, all accessible through intuitive touchscreens or voice commands. Power and sustainability. The entire roof surface would likely have modern solar panels, complemented by a robust, silent generator and an extensive battery bank, guaranteeing total off-grid functionality. Connectivity. Effortless, high-velocity satellite internet and communication networks would maintain inhabitants' connection to the globe, irrespective of their isolated position. Safety and convenience. Sophisticated driver assistance technologies, such as adaptive cruise control and a comprehensive 360-degree camera system, would facilitate navigation. Moreover, internal systems will incorporate advanced air and water purification technologies, guaranteeing a healthy and comfortable living environment. The 2027 VOLKNER Triple Decker RV transcends the conventional camper. It represents a mobile architectural masterpiece, exemplifying the fusion of elegance, engineering, and innovation. It guarantees an unmatched living experience, establishing a new standard for ultra-luxury RV travel.